Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today finally with a Citrus Punch Mondays video. It took me forever. My mojo have been kind of gone and I've been so busy with work and other things that I've been doing. So anyways, finally was able to enter on the last Citrus Punch Mondays. All right, so starting out, I am using this paper pack that I won off Veronica's channel for Citrus Punch Mondays, and I'm using this paper right here. This is so cute, love it. And then from Cards TV Stamps, I'm using You're Simply Wonderful. From Cuttlebug, hopefully you can see that pretty good. I am using this one here, and it is it's from Preserves. I wrote it on the back. All right, and then I also have, I used my Creative Times 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons, as well as the actual die itself. And I'm using this one here. And then I'm using the Hero Arts and Infinity dies, and I'm using, I want to say this one right there, but not definite to which one. Here is this adorable little card that I finally was able to get some of my mojo back so that I could create something, and I love it. I love how it turned out. So cute. Love that embossing folder, always have. Didn't think about using this embossing folder until I seen So Goodall's video today for her Citrus Punch Mondays. And if I didn't mention it, Veronica VLBL1 and So Goodall, which is Audrey, they were the two collaborators of the Citrus Punch Mondays. So I'll have their links down below. And here goes what I created for your collab, and I'm so happy that I finally got it done. Oh, I'm so excited. And I thought about raspberry lemonade, so hopefully that looks like a raspberry. And these were already made up in my stash, so I didn't pull out those dies. So sorry about that. I think this one might be from a Sizzix die set, but I'm not definite. And then that's how my inside of my card looks there. All right, so make sure you go over and join everybody who has entered these collabs. They are fabulous creators. So I'll have that hashtag for you right under this video or down in the description box. You'll be able to check out everyone's projects that they made for Citrus Punch Mondays. That's all I have for you. Check out the picture at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.